It is Saturday night.
Yes, we are at home.
Let's camp in our backyard.
Yes, that sounds fun.
I am bored.
Me too.
There is nothing to do.
Yes, it is slow.
Max, help me with the tent.
Okay, Dad.
We will set it up here.
Yay! I want to camp.
Anna, take this blanket.
Okay, Mom.
Put it in the tent.
Yes, I will.
Look over there.
Oh, wow, I see it.
Let's go check it out.
Okay, let's go.
Watch me, Max.
Okay, Dad.
We open it like this.
Wow, that is cool. Mom, this is long.
Yes, but you can do it.
I will try.
Good job, Anna.
Hold this corner, Max.
I am holding it.
Great, you are helping.
I feel strong.
The tent is ready.
It looks great.
We did it together.
Yes, I feel happy.
Wow, it is cozy.
I love it.
Let's sleep here.
Yes, all night.
These cookies smell amazing.
Thanks. Here, try one.
Don't mind if I do. Here is a flashlight.
Wow, thank you, Dad.
Use it in the tent.
Yes, I will.
I will bring my Teddy.
Yes, that is nice.
Teddy will camp with us.
Yes, he will.
I will lock the door.
Yes, please lock it.
Okay, it is locked.
Good. Thank you.
Come on, Anna.
I am coming.
Let's go inside.
Yes, I am ready.
Stay close, Max.
Okay, Dad.
Do not run away.
Yes, I understand.
Stay close to me, Anna.
Okay, Mom.
We are together.
Yes, I feel safe.
Look at the stars.
They are pretty.
I like this night.
Me too.
The kids are happy.
Yes, they are.
This is a good night.
Yes, a very good night.
I will tell a story.
Okay, Dad.
It is a camping story. Wow, I love stories.
Are you sleepy, Anna?
Yes, a little.
You can rest now.
Okay, Mom.
The night is calm.
Yes, it is quiet.
I feel relaxed.
Me too.
This is fun.
Yes, I love family time.
We should do this again.
Yes, we should.
The night was dark, but the family was brave.
Yes, like us. I feel sleepy now.
Okay, sweet girl. I want to sleep soon. Yes, you can.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard it.
It came from the house.
I feel scared.
What was that sound?
I don't know.
I feel scared.
Me too.
Okay,
I will check the door.
please be careful.
Max, stay in the tent.
Okay, Dad.
Do not come out.
Yes, I promise.
The kitchen light is on.
But we turned it off.
Someone is inside.
I will call the police.
Yes, call now.
Hello, please help us.
Someone is in our house. I see him.
He has our food.
Stay calm, Mom.
I am trying.
Anna, stay close.
I am close.
I will protect you.
Thank you, Max.
He is coming out.
Oh no.
Stay behind me.
Okay, Dad.
Stop! Move away! This is my house. I just want food!
The police are coming.
What?
Please stop now.
I don't want trouble. The police are here!
Thank you.
We are safe now.
Yes, we are.
Sir, are you okay? Yes, officer. Where is the thief? He is near the door. Stop right there. Okay. Put the bag down. Yes, I will. Ma'am, are the kids safe?
Yes, they are safe.
Did he hurt anyone?
No, he did not.
Turn around. Okay. Hands behind your back. Yes.
Anna, the police got him.
Yes, Max.
I feel safe now.
Me too.
Max, you did well,
Dad, I was scared.
but you stayed safe.
Yes, Dad.
Anna, come here.
I want a hug.
Yes, my sweet girl.
Thank you, Mom.
He is going away now.
Yes, thank you.
Our home is safe.
Yes, we are safe.
Sir, we will take him. Thank you, officer. Please lock your doors. Yes, we will.
Should we stop camping?
No, we can camp.
The kids are scared.
We will stay together.
Dad, can we sleep now?
Yes, Max.
I feel tired.
Me too.
Are you okay, Anna?
Yes, Max.
We are safe now.
Yes, we are.
Mom, I want to sleep.
Okay, Anna.
Please stay close.
Yes, I will.
The door is locked.
Good.
The windows are closed.
Yes, I feel safe now.
Breathe slowly, Max.
Okay, Dad.
Look at the stars.
They are pretty.
Yes, they are.
I feel calm.
This night was scary.
Yes, but we are okay.
We stayed strong.
Yes, we did.
Good night, Anna.
Good night, Max.
Tomorrow will be better.
Yes, tomorrow will be happy.
The kids are sleeping.
Yes, they look peaceful.
Good night.
Good night.